9 countertop edge types for your kitchen remodel project. Remodeling your kitchen is a great way to elevate the feel of your home. You can customize your entire kitchen, right down to choosing countertop edge types that work with your style, whether it's farmhouse chic or a contemporary kitchen with clean lines and sharp edges. A starting point, standard and decorative edges. Standard countertop edges. Straight countertop edges blend in with the rest of the cabinets and give the focal point to other areas in your kitchen, whereas other options stand out and pull focus from your decor or other areas in your kitchen. Decorative countertop edges. Specialty countertop edges are a great option if you want to elevate every area during your kitchen remodel. They make your kitchen look artistic and sophisticated. Types of countertop edges. The countertop edge style you choose can really transform the feel of your kitchen, but not every edge style works with any countertop material. 1. Eased edges. A low-profile countertop edge will give your kitchen a sleek look without taking up extra space the way more decorative edges can. 2. Square edges. The sharp edges are more prone to chipping than other designs, but they are easy to clean and create a high-end look for your kitchen. 3. Beveled edges. You can choose variations for the bevel to make it more defined or subtle, depending on your design style. 4. Waterfall edges. Waterfall edges look great on a kitchen island and can make your kitchen look like it's straight out of a movie. 5. Mitered edges. All kitchen remodeling projects have to take the weight of the finished project into account, and mitered edges are a great way to get the look you want without adding too much weight. 6. Bullnose edges. Bullnose edges are rounded on the top and bottom, making them safe for homes with small children. 7. Half bullnose. 8. OG edges. They look similar to bullnose edges, but they are more detailed, which makes them cost a little more than simpler edge styles. 9. Custom edges. Custom edges work on natural materials like stone or wood to create a rustic, natural countertop that still gives a luxurious feel to the room. Choosing the best countertop edge for your kitchen. Before getting your heart set on a certain edge style, consider the material you used for your countertops. Function is the other thing you have to keep in mind. From the beginning of your planning process all the way through choosing countertop edge designs. Custom countertops in West Haven, Utah. Cutting Edge Cabinetry provides custom kitchen and bathroom cabinets in West Haven, Utah, and the surrounding areas. Our design experts can help you choose the best kitchen edge styles. Whether you want a bullnose edge countertop or the crisp lines of a square edge countertop,